Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to my channel. It's a beautiful day outside. I am actually in my village. I'm very relaxed here. And yeah, I'm just gonna be showing you a kind of different day in my life than what I've done so far. Some things that I haven't shown you ever. So yeah, it's gonna be nice. Hi Eva, good morning. Say hi to my vlog.
Hi vlogs!
This is my little sister Eva. Yay! Look, we look so much alike. I'm gonna make some breakfast. Do you wanna have something to eat?
Yeah.
Yeah?
And then playing in the treehouse!
Okay, let's get up. Or I'm getting up. Ah! Look at this tiny little hand.
You can do creaks.
Creets, creets.
Yeah, that.
Oh god. So like I said, I am in my village, so I haven't really shown anybody this, but it's really pretty in the middle of nowhere. And yeah, you're stepping all the lines.
I know.
Okay, now lately, baby, I just ain't been giving no fucks. But I can't help but thinking maybe that my best ain't enough. But they been waiting crazy, come on back, just tell me what's up. So what's up, so what's up, so what's up. Okay, now lately, baby, I just ain't been giving no fucks. But I can't help.
It's like ice cream. Brain freeze?
Congratulations, patches plus a drink on ice. Homie, that's a bad equation. It's me, myself, and I and God. It's just the four of us. Bet you that my next ride will be a tour bus. They said shoot your shot. I'm trash at basketball. Blood, sweat, but no tears. I learned to laugh it off. Same niggas who fronted are the same ones that are backing off. If this a doghouse, then why the fuck are all these cats involved?
Okay, now lately, baby, I just ain't been giving no fucks. But I can't help but thinking, baby, that my best ain't enough. But they been waiting crazy, come on back, just tell me what's up, what's up, what's up. Okay, now lately, baby, I just ain't been giving no fucks. But I can't help but thinking, baby, that my best ain't enough. But they been waiting crazy, come on back, just tell me what's up, what's up, what's up.
Go ahead and tell me what's up. Go ahead and tell me what's up. Go ahead and tell me what's up. Go ahead and tell me what's up. Go ahead and tell me what's up. Go ahead and tell me what's up. Go ahead and tell me what's up. Go ahead and tell me what's up.
Hello to my other little sister who's watching Game of Thrones season 2.
Stop exposing me.
And now I'm just gonna make some pesto for everyone.
I already ate.
What did you eat?
Salad. I had tofu in it and it was like hearty and stuff.
You ate the tofu?
Yeah.
I'll go cook. I'll be back. So anyway, for the pesto, I'll just be boiling some spaghetti. This is organic. I have some water boiling with some oil and some pink Himalayan salt in there. Just for taste, you don't really have to do that. But I like that. If you are not eating oil, just don't put it. But I love oil, and this is our olive oil, so of course I'm gonna use it. When it's ready, I'm just gonna be putting some pesto. This is Barilla vegan pesto, and it tastes exactly like the original. I know because I used to have it all the time. And
They been waiting crazy, come on back, just tell me what's up, what's up, what's up.
Go ahead and tell me what's up. Go ahead and tell me what's up. Go ahead and tell me what's up. Go ahead and tell me what's up. Go ahead and tell me what's up. Go ahead and tell me what's up.
wow. It's really pretty though.
Look at this thing. It's like you got the time. Aww.
Yeah.
Remember when I played all these?
Last name ever, first name greatest. Like a sprained ankle, boy, ain't nothing to play with. Started off local, but thanks to all the haters, I know G4 pilots on a first name basis. In your city, faded off the brown. Nino, she insists she got more class. We know, swimming in the money, come and find me. Nemo, if I was at the club, you know I balled. Chemo, dropped a mixtape, that shit sounded like an album. Who'da thought a countrywide tour be the outcome? Labels want my name beside an X like Malcolm.
This isn't how it's supposed to be, actually.
What? Maybe those pants are you?
Yeah.
You look beautiful.
What is it? Tastes like potatoes.
Bottles on me, long as I'ma drink it. Never drop the ball, fuck it y'all thinking. Making sure the young money ship is never sinking. About to set it off in this bitch Jada Pinkett. I shouldn't have drove, tell me how I'm getting home. You too fine to be laying down in bed alone. I could teach you how to speak my language, Rosetta Stone. I swear this life is like the sweetest thing I've ever known. About to go Thriller, Mike Jackson on these niggas. All I need's a fucking red jacket with some zippers. Super good Smitto, a package of the swishers. I did it overnight, it couldn't happen any quicker. Y'all know them, well fucking me either. But point the biggest skeptic out, I make them a believer. It wouldn't be the first time I done it, throwing hundreds where I should be throwing ones. Bitch, I run it.
Like it? Come on. You have to do this. Like some red. Oh. We really do look alike. We look so much alike, it's fucking scary. Don't even. I'm so happy for you. Don't do this, Mom. Don't have a breakdown. I'll be back soon. How many times have we passed this spot? So many times, and just like yelling at each other. I remember one time you were like, Mommy, I want to like know how to make jokes. What did I say? Mommy, I want to know how to like be funny and like. Are you serious? Yes. I said that. Yes. How old was I? You were like 10? I don't know. You must have been 10. Oh, I really didn't have friends then. Yeah, it was really hard for you. It wasn't that easy here in the village, though. No, I know. Doesn't matter. Am I funny now? Yes, you're funny. I know how to make jokes. Now you're confident. You're beautiful. Oh my God, Mom! So proud of you. I'm proud of you. Just know that whatever happens, it's for the best. Yeah. Okay? Mm-hmm. That's the point. Yeah. You're so cute. I love you too, Mom. Let's go.
I'm talking confused. I tried to be patient with you. Yeah.
I mean, if I don't do it now, when will I? Exactly.
Cold shoulder, heartbroken, misspoken. I'm cut open the fingers and on my stab wounds. And if she could, she'd probably dance on my grave nervous on my head. I see your face, I fucking hate that I love you still.